Now, see, with I, we, you, they, we use no S. Drive, work, do. But with he, she, it, what are we using? S. Drives, works, does. Right? Okay. Now let's come to the second use of present simple, and that is present simple is used for something that is true in general or for facts. What do I mean by facts? Facts
I
are
can tell you.
okay. Yes, please.
Facts are like universal facts that never change. Like sun always rises in the east and like sets
Absolutely
in the
correct.
west.
Absolutely correct. So if I say things like the earth goes around the sun, that is a fact, right? We can't change this thing. Can I push earth and tell it not to go around the sun? No, no, no. Let's push earth. Yeah, we can't do that. So earth goes around the sun is a fact.
That
And
is impossible.
that is impossible. And for facts, we always use which tense?
We always use present tense.
Present. Which present tense?
Simple present
Present
tense.
simple. Present simple. Yes. So the second use of present simple is for facts or truths. Okay. Let's take one more example of a fact. Let's say the nurses look after patients in hospitals. Isn't this a fact? It's the job of a nurse.
Yes, ma'am.
They look after patients. So, what am I saying? I'm saying nurses look after. Why look and why not looks?
Because it's nurses are plural.
It's
Very
It's
good.
true.
Because, yes, nurses is a plural word, right? That's why nurses look after patients. All right. Okay, guys. I'm still repeating. We would be providing you the recording, so you don't have to worry. You can watch the recording again and make notes of whatever I spoke or whatever I showed. Okay. All right. Now, coming to our next tense, that is present continuous. Now, let's say, okay, what am I doing right now?
teaching.
Teaching. Okay. So, how will you tell someone in one sentence? What is Sana ma'am doing? Sana ma'am
She's teaching.
He is
Teaching.
is teaching. Can I say, Sana ma'am teaching?
No,
No,
ma'am.
is. It's present.
Ma'am, is
Yes.
because it is continuously
You have
happening.
to use Indra.
Yes. Yes. It is. So, Darsh, you said it is continuously happening. Don't get confused between repeated things and continuously happening things. Don't get confused. Things that continuously happen every day mean that we are using present simple with them. This is about something continuing right now. Okay? So I am teaching you right now. This is continuing right now, right? So present continuous is used for an action that is not finished. What do we get to know about present continuous? That this action is not finished, right? It is not finished. Okay? It is continuing. We don't know how long it will go on for. Okay? So if I say, I am teaching, what am I doing? I'm talking about an unfinished action, action that is not finished. Okay? She is driving to work. That means